Hello everyone, it's me Amol Sharma back again with my new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how can you check your internet speed. This is a silly question, I know. Many people just write comment and you can check your script in Chrome by typing check your internet. I know that, but I am a programmer. So basically, I will build my own script so that I'll check my internet speed and downloading speed. Okay, if you just simply go to your browser, any browser, and type mm, check my internet speed. Okay, if you say that check my internet speed, then after it you will show various of website and they will check just your internet speed. This is okay for normal people, but we are a program and we will check our own internet speed. Okay, make the code that will check our internet speed. I'll just I'll just go to my any kind of folder. I'll just go to here, not Amol. I'll just go to Python folder and open and write. I will write new internet. Okay, internet speed, not that ISO speed. Checking our creating a folder that will check our internet speed. Okay, then open your any kind of terminal command from type of that you can just import easily, but we are a programmer, so we like to do such thing that will be challenging. Okay, we are a programmer, obviously we will just simply write our code to make anything. We are programmer. In this video you will understand the power of the Python. Okay, I most of the my YouTube channel video are visible in Python because I love to code in Python. In other language the logic are, I don't like the iteration that that curly bracket one, that so much disgusting part. Okay, I'm just creating a run.py Python one. Then after I'll just create my virtual environment. Okay, if you don't know between global and virtual environment, there are two type of environment, that is one global environment and one virtual environment. Okay, in global environment which you install pip such like pip install Django, pip install Flex, pip install Python, such that but they are installed in your global package. Okay, let me show you how global package work. Just I am typing pip list. Okay, it will just show my all list that I have downloaded in my laptop. Okay, something are something do you know, but most of the thing you don't know. I also don't know why I import this report lab Python build and then after py and co, I don't know how, but yeah, just for this I'm going to create a new virtual environment. You can find many videos and documentation regarding this virtual environment in website, in YouTube, a lot of things. Okay, I'm just creating my new virtual environment. Okay, I'm writing new env slash script scripts. Okay, it is not script. And then after active, sometime it might show you error like this. Don't worry, don't 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 think this, don't think too much. Just go to ChatGPT or any, then after just paste it out this, it will give you that you need to what you need to do. Just oh shit, I have just written the copy. The main thing about this ChatGPT, when you click this sometime it will not click. Okay, same problem. I know what to do, but for you, for the sake of you all, I'm just asking for ChatGPT. I can do Python minus hyphen m, then after all thing. Okay, this same, I'll do this same. I know, but most of you don't know. Fuck. uh, Fuck. I told you that the copy system in ChatGPT is too boring. Okay, my virtual environment is completed. Don't You will find so much library inside. This is script python exe. Don't do anything, just go here and then after activate your, okay, you want to create your works. Okay, our virtual environment is activate. Before it was like this. Now new env, you can change according to your new anything. You can write in new env. Just, oh sorry, I'll just copy it out this, then after enter. Okay, successfully. Then after we need to install few of the thing to create this script. Okay, first of all let us write the code. Before writing the code, I am going to tell you that I'm going to start the python classes soon. In this YouTube video I'm going to upload video according to your need. Okay, if you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, first of all we need to import few libraries. You can import anything just like you want. Coding it just like doing math problem. Okay, there are so many ways that you can do math work, and such that programming also like that. You can just import such that I think that is speed, sorry, speed speed test as st. You can do this also, but I don't recommend to use this as a beginner. So just import speed test. Okay, it's something. Then after my AI just automatically suggested that what should I write. mm, I'll just write speed underscore hyphen underscore check. Let me just write ISO speed. Okay, if you like ISO speed, then comment down below. I so speed. Okay, for fun I will just in my YouTube video of Python I will upload anything regarding to Python new update. Why people told me that why don't you start Python classes. Okay, even my friend also told me that alt is really good Python. Because I am a beginner. It's been 2 years that I'm learning Python. Okay, now I'm learning Django. I've completed Flask and PyTorch. I've created so much project on Flask and PyTorch. Now I'm working on Django. Django is basically framework. Okay, don't dive in this too deep in this ocean. Okay, I'll just talk about in next video. I'm just writing a few line of code. Then after just 18-15 line of code, our script is done. Then after you can check your download speed, uploading speed, and even a ping. Okay, okay, just let us write. Okay, we are giving a writing a test variable. Then after speed dot sorry, not dot, test dot speed. Why people ask me why don't you write this comma? Because I like to do this type of variable step. Okay, this is too good. This means that our speed test our test variable content to speed test import. It will just import two types for we are doing using download speed and uploading speed. Okay, and then after I'll just write print. Okay, print inside print I'll write testing speed. Okay, testing the speed of internet. Okay, sorry. Sorry for that. Okay, internet speed. Then after we are creating downloading speed and uploading speed. Okay, it just recommended this sheet. I'm not doing this sheet. Okay, sorry, I need to do that. Okay, test download. I'll just make a download. Okay, not that. I'll just copy it out this all. Then after, I'll just paste this and test speed. Okay. Let me just do one thing. Let me just round up all around, and then after, simply I'll make a calculation. Okay, let me the thing. Calculation 10 to the power square 6. Okay, 10. In programming it is square, okay, not multiplication. It will go to the 10 to the power 6. Okay, 10 0 0 0 0 1 lakh, it means 10 lakh something, comma 2. I don't know what it is. Just ask to chat gpt. Okay, you can ask to chat gpt also. So it is like, it will up to my 10 million. It's just checking the 10 million speed. Okay, just like that. It like 10 million fast time it will check the round of the script. Understand, like that. It is advanced concept, it is math. Everybody fear of math, even I also fear of math. To be a programmer, you know math, that is bullshit. You don't know anything about math. Simply if you are going at data analytics, that is a type of job that do math teacher. Okay, that job related to math teacher, this sucks, bro. Okay, salary also that much only. Okay, let me just search. What is the salary of data science? What is the average salary of data science? This much only I need to start doing data science, bro. Then after, I'll just write downloading speed in Mbps, not Mbps, Mbps. Okay. Then after, I'll just do like this. Then after comma, and I'll just do download speed. Okay, I'll just copy this and I'll paste there. Okay, it will just show me what is the speed of my downloading speed. Our downloading speed is completed. And next time, okay, it may suggest auto corrected. You need to eat something while writing programming, coffee, some beans. Then after, we are testing our ping. We are a gamer and we're going to test our ping also. Okay, test dot result results dot ping. Okay, then after print. Okay, pings dot what is ms. Return not. I'm not going to return this. I'm just uh, printing out this. Print uh, test is completed. Testing is completed. Testing is completed. Okay, what the this ms meme. Okay, something like that is auto suggested. Okay, I'm just closing my main function here. If underscore name underscore equals to main. Oh, sorry. Then after, I'll just complete my function here. Copy. Okay, many people ask me, why don't you close this script like this, but I like this method. It is clean and it will show me professional. Okay, let me just read out. Oh, we have not import module. Sorry for that. We need to install like pip install speed test CLI. Okay, install speed test so hyphen CLI, something like that. Okay, it was installing. Okay, installing. Then after do you mean speed test? Yes, we mean speed test. Why? Oh, our virtual environment package is over. Okay, when putting our virtual environment package, our requirement already satisfied. Okay, so let me just write pip, sorry, py run.py. Okay, it will run. No attribute. What the fuck, dude? Why it is saying? I don't. That's why I don't like to use virtual environment. But it is for our. Correct the attribute name. Oh, sorry. One is big and another will be small. Sorry about that. A small problem. Do you mean speed test? Okay, okay. Just I'll write Control C. Then after I'll just clear whole thing, and I'll just run it. Okay, this script will run. Will test your internet speed. Okay, what we have just written upside. Testing your internet speed. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait for a few seconds. It will exactly test your speed and downloading speed. It will take. It depend upon. It depend upon your internet speed. Okay. Okay. Downloading speed is 26.72. Then after our uploading speed is what? Okay, go subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with Amul. You will find this type of important concept, and I'll start Python classes as soon as possible from basic. Okay, our ping is 106. Oh shit, fuck, we cannot play PUBG.
Fantastic, superb, mind-blowing, unbelievable.
Uploading speed. I need to write there MS. Okay. I'll just comma out this. Uploading speed done. You can just write anything here is according to your need. Oh, so no. Just write clear. And then after this, okay. Millisecond. Okay, it depend upon, you can write anything beside that one. It will just check your looking. I can see my internet speed is 1.8 missing, so it will take time. If you have high internet speed, then comment down below.